We got the wires going through the headliner up here, and then I'll show you guys the rear camera right now.
We only get ticky. I never thought I'd be running my city. I'm a solid, but pretty be with me. Gotta move tight, cause niggas have to give me. And these bitches always be the line. All they got locked ain't doing some. Who you? You a bitch. I never heard of you taking a risk. For my brothers, I'm taking a risk. 5-5, get shot and shit. I don't know why these niggas don't think. They got me mad, now I gotta go blitz. They got me mad, I little bro packed up. Him is a gang. I'm beating my heart, I'm a fat gang. They ain't ready, that boy's an actor. Spinning, we hitting whoever you with. Like, soon as I boom, better dip. Got a new Glock, I set up the clip. Like, speed on the track, I won't miss. So, Dougie, I'm feeling, bro, ain't no assist. Take it, don't worry, I'ma do the head. Nigga, Dougie, my brother, I'm taking that risk. Like, fucking it, like a twin. She been in the.
So to hardwire the dash cam, we used fuse number 8, which is the cigarette lighter fuse, and then we used the fuse stop. Let me get my flashlight for you guys. We used the bolt that you guys can see right there with the black wire as the ground, and then we tapped it into fuse 8 with the fuse stop kit. So it pretty much just taps into the fuse, and then you put a fuse for the cigarette lighter, and then it gives the dash cam power, so you guys don't have to use this for power, so you don't see that wire. Alright, so we're gonna leave this box in the glove box and then run it through. Can you show them? Like the little trim over there. So the dash cam that I'm installing in my E92 that I'm showing you guys right now, it's called the ASDOME. Well, hold on, let me flip the camera. The ASDOME. Basically, it's a 4K camera in the front, 1080p in the rear, and it uses the same Sony cameras that the Blackview uses. The only thing that I'm struggling with right now is the software, but I'll update you guys on that when I finish it. And the adhesive that comes with it is really bad. So I'm gonna use some 3M VHB, the black one, put it on here, and hopefully I can get it mounted to the dashboard. And I have it hardwired, as I showed you guys. And right now I'm running the rear camera to it because it's a 2-channel. So I'll show you guys updates when I'm done, and now I'll show you guys how I wired it up in the glove box. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the dash cam. It's called the ASDOME. It's like Blackview replica. It uses the same Sony cameras that they use. I'm connecting to it right now. I'm gonna let you guys know how the app is. That's the Wi-Fi name and password right there for you guys. Alright, let's see how this shit connects. Okay, check real-time video. See if this shit shows up. Nigga, this shit is showing me the beach, bro. What the fuck is that? Alright, I'll check back in with you guys when I figure this shit the fuck out. So we pulled off this rear cover for the headliner, and we tucked all the wires into there because I'm missing a clip on the liner right over there. So we tucked all the excess wire into there, and we got the rear camera centered in the back. So just got to put this trim piece back on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like tucked up. So we got it wired up. The wires coming out a little bit right there, as you guys can see. Ran down the rear windshield, through all of this, through that panel right there, throughout the weather stripping on the door, and then up onto the dashboard. So yeah guys, here's the final product of the dash cam hardwired. We got the wires going through the headliner up here, into this panel over here, into the weather stripping, running to the back down there, and then I'll show you guys the rear camera right now. Came out super clean. I can't get the app working right now for you guys, so I'll do a review of the dash camera in a separate video, but it came out really good, and it's nice and low profile. So when you're in the driver's seat, I guess this will be where I look when I drive. You can barely see it in the peripheral. So came out sick.